Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the infrastructure. Give yourself a command block and place it facing a button so you can trigger single-shot events. Once done, make a simple scoreboard objective called Time Used to Track Travel Counts and State. Then wire a small redstone input and a repeating clock to test commands. You need stable triggers while building. Make sure to set the command block to impulse and condition to unconditional for the first test command. This establishes reliable activation before adding complex teleport routines. You next build the core. Create distinct era regions at separate coordinates and write chained command blocks that teleport the player with /TP. Once teleported, execute /timeset and /weather commands to simulate day, night, storms, or clear skies for that era. Use /data merge entity or temporary armor stand storage to snapshot player inventory and status before travel, then restore it after return. Because command timing matters, use chain command blocks on conditional mode, so steps run in order and maintain player state consistency. Finish by packaging repeated sequences into function files or chain command blocks so a single button press runs the full travel sequence. Save player state, teleport, set time and weather, spawn era-specific blocks or mobs, then update the scoreboard. Once done, test round trips and add visual cues like particle effects. If something breaks, first verify you have operator permission and that command blocks are enabled, then inspect scoreboard values, block types, and chain command ordering, because most failures come from wrong coordinates or conditional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.